The first thing that comes to mind when you think of American cuisine are classics like burgers, fried chicken hot dogs, and pancakes. Like many things American, the cuisine also has influences from elsewhere. German, British, Italian, Dutch, French, and Caribbean are only some of the cultures that have contributed to the food that is now considered typically American. Here's a roundup of popular American foods that you will find across the country today. We know about top 5 most popular traditional American dishes, which is, you need to try. Let's begin. Number 5. Buffalo chicken wings. Buffalo wings, which are spicy and full of flavor, are a staple of American food and must be on any list of must-try American foods. This dish comes from Buffalo, New York, and is made with chicken wings that are deep fried until they are crispy, and then covered in a spicy, tangy sauce that is usually made by mixing hot sauce, vinegar, and melted butter. The popularity of buffalo wings, which have just the right amount of heat, crunch, and tang, shows that Americans like food that is not only tasty, but also fun and brings people together. Number 4. Reuben Sandwich. If you're ever craving an authentic taste of American culinary tradition, I can't recommend hot dogs enough. These are more than just a quick meal. They're a staple at summer barbecues, city street carts, and iconic sporting events. Picture this: a soft bun cradling a juicy grilled or steamed sausage, topped with a stripe of mustard and ketchup. It's a classic combination that never fails to satisfy. And don't forget, there's a whole day dedicated to them. The third Wednesday in July is National Hot Dog Day. Number 3. Apple pie. You must try apple pie, my friend. It's not just a dessert, it's a slice of American culinary tradition and cultural heritage. Imagine biting into a flaky golden crust and savoring the warm, spiced apple filling within. That unmistakable aroma will likely spark a sense of nostalgia, reminding you of home and family gatherings. It's an essential part of American holidays like Thanksgiving and Independence Day, making it a shared experience for many. While you'll find regional twists on the recipe, the soul of apple pie, its hearty, simple flavors, remains the same. Next time you're in the mood for a dessert that's as American as it gets, remember the phrase, as American as apple pie, and treat yourself to a slice. Number 2. Barbecue ribs. These pork barbecue ribs are a no-fail, hands-down family favorite recipe. There is nothing better than letting your oven do all the work for you, while smelling the incredible BBQ pork aromas drifting all through the house. Sitting down to a plate of steaming, hot, sticky pork ribs is what's happening this Father's Day for many of our American readers. Get ready for the best ribs of your life. Number 1 is hamburger. You really must indulge in the iconic American burger experience. Envision this: a tender, juicy patty grilled to perfection, sandwiched between 2 soft, lightly toasted buns. Layered on this are slices of melt-in-your-mouth cheese, fresh, crisp lettuce, tangy pickles, juicy tomatoes, and finely sliced onion. And let's remember the classic ketchup and mustard duo that gives the burger its tangy zest. But the true beauty of the American burger lies in its immense versatility. The options are limitless, from the simple yet ever-satisfying cheeseburger to the more extravagant versions topped with everything from avocado to gourmet cheeses and bacon. This isn't just a meal, it's a flavor-packed journey that every food lover should embark on. Thank you so much for visiting our channel in this video. Which foods most love to eat? Let me know in comments section below. We try to always sharing new and exciting videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for supporting to us. See you very soon in next video tell.